my quiz show I made on Raspberry Pi, my goal was to make a quiz show that had lives. I used a Raspberry Pi, breadboard, female to male wires, buttons, LEDs, and resistors. I used this code was to make, it's like if you lost and you lost all your lives, you could either restart or just stop with this code. And then when I tested the quiz, I realized the button wasn't plugged in right, so I had to replug it. And then when it didn't work a second time, I had to remake the code for the button so you could either stop the quiz or replay the quiz. And so this is what my quiz show thing looks like. And when you press these buttons, this button right here plays again, and this button here stops. These LEDs, they're your lives. If you get a question wrong, you lose one. And these are my questions. This is one of my questions. And this is the life sequence. If you get a question wrong, you lose a life. And this part's the play again sequence. If you maybe if you accidentally spelled it wrong and you have 0 lives left, then you could either play again or stop playing and just...
Can you run your code, please, and show us?
So
right now, what are you doing? You're typing the answer,
I'm
right?
typing the first answer. And then it says, wait, what? Type that. Okay, never mind. But this is the second answer. Something's happening. Oh, I put a space.
Yeah, so it's very, very picky with.
It's very picky. And this is what happens if you actually get an answer right. It just says correct.
Okay, perfect. And then you lost 2 lives. Okay, now you got 3.
It goes, you lost. I can play again.
Okay.
And my LEDs go back on. And then if I don't want to play again, I can just press this button and I'm done.
Okay, perfect. All right, awesome. Does anyone have any questions for him? Yeah? What's your question?
So basically, how did you use the ultrasonic sensor, like your code? How exactly does the code read with the ultrasonic?
I didn't use the ultrasonic sensor for
Wrong
this.
question.
Wait.
This is the quiz
It's okay.
show.
All right, it's fine. He doesn't have questions. All right, let's give a round of applause.